And our groom for the first dance. Well, let's clap loud. Loud.
You are to me what poetry tries to say with the word. You are the song, all the music my heart ever heard. I can't escape the air that I breathe, even speaks of you. And I'm not ashamed to say that I feel this way. I will stand before God, give you all that I've got. I can promise you I'll be true. I'll reveal it now as we both take this vow. I'm so in love
What's my...
Words can't express what I confess with each beat of my heart. I'm overwhelmed with the passion I felt from the start. Our love will grow as the years come and go. I'll remain by your side. Oh yes, I will. There isn't anything that I would deny. I will stand before God, give you all that I've got. I can promise you I'll be true. As we both take this vow, I am so in love. I am so in love with you.
I promise to honor and cherish you, for better or for worse. I'll be there for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. From this day on and forever.
I can promise you I'll be as we both take this vow. I am so in love. I am so in love. I am so in love with you.
Your bride and groom. Beautiful. Danielle and Christopher. Thank you guys. God bless. You reminded me when I got married. I didn't have no clouds, but... Oh, you reckon? Shall I go again? All right. Oh, thanks. Moving on with our program, we now have the best man. Now, most weddings, the best man speech is a very important thing. So we're going to watch this guy get nervous and shaky and everything. So, who's the best man? Oh, Jason. Huh? Well, ladies and gentlemen, Jason is Chris's brother, so he's the best man. So we'll be handing it over to him for the best man's speech. Hands together for Jason. But what's mate?
It was once said that you meet thousands of people who don't connect with you, and then you meet that one special person and your life is changed forever. Well, that moment came for Chris 22 years ago when I was born. For those who aren't familiar with my good looks and charms, I'm Chris's younger brother, and he asked me to be his best man today, admitting that I'm his favourite brother. I have to say, growing up with Chris was tough. We shared the same bedroom for most of our childhood, and the only way I could tell our underwear apart is through shit stains. As polar opposites, my brother and I definitely had a fair share of fight. From stealing his money to him hogging the Xbox controller all day. Even though we don't always see eye to eye, we always end up siding as brothers, especially when it matters. Making sure we still have a chance of being alive when Dad comes home from work. Such teamwork includes covering up holes from our wrestling and my brother's black eye after he learnt his mouth wasn't as fast as Chris's left jab. Despite our disagreement, you've always had my back, and I'll never forget the time you said I'm coming when I was drowning at the beach. I mean, you didn't end up saving me, but you tried. Just hearing your voice made me feel safe. Through thick and thin, you always be the best big brother I could ever ask for. I respect you, I look up to you, metaphorically because you're short. And I like to say we fight hard because we love harder. Tess, can I start by saying you look breathtaking tonight? It's nice to see you in a dress instead of the pants you wear in the relationship. All jokes aside, ever since I met you, we knew you were the one as you gifted Chris with a set of balls to tell my daddy I had a girlfriend for the first time. But I personally knew you were a keeper when I first met you. You made me feel comfortable in my own skin and gave me the confidence to stay true to myself always. You're beautiful inside and out, smart, kind, funny, and caring. Your only flaw is your taste in men. But more importantly, you love my brother unapologetically and make him happy in ways his ugly exes couldn't. Tess, welcome to the family. To sum it up, I'm incredibly happy for you both. Now that you don't have to be alone, or go to the movies alone, or eat dinner alone, or come to this reception alone. All by myself, I wanna be. Cringe. So can we all raise our glasses to Chris and Tess, a lifetime of love, happiness, and each other. I love you both. God bless.
Oh, thanks, Jace. That was awesome, man. Never would have thought Jason would be capable of doing something like that, mate. Done well. Thank you very much. Did you like that? Did you like it? Let's clap some more for Jason. One of the best speeches I've heard. The bar is open, I think. Yes, the bar is open. And we're going to hand it over to the DJ for a few minutes just to shake off. I know we've been sitting there for a fair bit of time now, so entree's coming up. And we've got the families, speeches and dances coming up of Chris's side. For now, DJ, going to take over for 10 minutes. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Okay. Unfortunately, we have a program to get through, so please, everyone, could you please be seated? Can I get all the brides and grooms party back on? As soon as we get these things out of the way, then we can party all night. Who wants a party? Who wants to party? Who wants to party? Are you excited? Are you excited? Money or the bag? All right. Now, we've heard from the maid of honor, the groom's maid of honor. Now we're going to hear from the bride's maid of honor. So please, this is where we need your attention. Please, everyone, please be seated. Bride's maid of honor, this is your time. Okay. Put your hands together for the bride's maid of honor.
So telefoi malifai te ina sasi pe lavale se fa masanga ana vele malapi ole fine li tato mafutanga ave yeleni taimi o te fa pelo a ima fata lo fatu ile fa yema malu ole nei fa potonga fata lo fatu sunga ile se tai lawa fiona patele fati fata lo fatu poi so se au ana ole tua mo lato fale tua Awao, maulato faletua, tiapono ma faletua, I can't boy, I am Boma emasani. I say none boy, the Lord, or my fay, on our way, my then to love. My lover, Mama Tele, your lover, Mama Iti, Talofa lover. Following on, or to I love Janet. Oau, ole Rosili, ele is my side, fight for Danielle. So for our English speakers, greetings and hello. My name is Janet. I am the maid of honor. I met Danielle a year ago, like over a year ago, and I'm the maid of honor. But when I first met Danielle, we had actually worked together. And we instantly, she came in, she was really shy. But her dad okingied her on her first day. And then it reminded me of the days where I was young and I worked with my dad and he would okin me up. Well, he would okin me too. The friendship that Danielle and I have, it's a very special friendship. It's a friendship that I cherish, and I'm very grateful for. One thing that I love is seeing how loved she is by Chris. I met Chris the first time when we all went out together. And he followed her like a lost puppy. And it was there that I knew that he loved her. Even today, we were like, while the girls are getting ready, I think Chris called like 4 times just to see if Danielle was all right. And I was like, girl, what? It must be nice, hey. It must be nice. But if there's any type of advice that I'd like to give to you as a married couple, it's actually in Ephesians 4 verse 2-3. It says, be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love, make every effort to keep the unity of spirit through the bond of peace. Meaning that patience is key when it comes to keeping the peace and maintaining a happy marriage. So continue on loving her the way that you are loving her now. Like, you know, the pastor, the priest said today, you know, a wedding is a one day, but marriage is forever. So continue on loving each other forever. Keep loving each other every day. Choose to love each other every day, even when you guys do not agree with each other, like today. But the one thing that I love about the both of you is that you always go to your own little corner and you work it out yourselves. And for that, I wish you all the best. If you guys still have your glasses, if you can raise a toast to the groom and the bride. Wishing you all the love and the happiness in the world. Cheers!
Yeah, thanks much, mate. Thanks for applause. Another wonderful speech, eh? Now, a special one. We're going to call upon Chris's parents, Margaret and Peter Lutz-Duke. This is your time. I think we'll have you guys. I don't call it Peter, I call it love. But I love. Oh, yes.
I'm a tag team, my muscle.
Yep. Melani yang ini sa uli papili. Kami bunga solon mga kulilay mga parangulong. Ya, ay paftay la malili umisilu mawar katwa mga kuy uli mga paftay. Mo lava. Uli mga paftay le yung ya pateli. Ya may si fuy au ngama. La jo fuy ro uli karesia. Ya ay mas fuy la fuy pese pula terbo. Sai lava muli lang mai mali muli mau fulia sole kali impole finge ho ya fa do la fa tai le mai mole tu le nga fa tai ya sungai ya lutui ma kisa lo fa tai fo ya rua ai mase fulia nga to pa tango fie la vale sole ile baba ai mo le fie ho ngai malo le tunu ho pok mai ne yaso ya molele le nganga le fatai le li wa oia le wa fai on fat puina lo tato a wai nei aso e moli mau le aso ya Christmas ya moli fo le nganga fatai fo ile tu ma topi ya moli ki le tu fatai e sio tu finga ya mai se fo e na ya wo ya ai ngata le o ai ngo Chris maka senior Chris tai to o mai ne aso lango ma support for ya I must for the mori mau le aso Chris ma skengates. I would like to say thank you to my friend from our company, very big support for my son's wedding as a witness, and I will like to say thanks very much to all my nieces and nephews. They can't understand for the Samoa. Ya, katongo le teleskala ai silele kusaulo le maram lama le tusai fu ya mo le maftanga le ataria quiz. Ya. Quiz. O tele lope o te fa sa mo lo wakali po ke fa parang ilang o kamay ki fu eri lo fa sa mo. Kalau ngoling idis, ya, arkama, esok pengfolan kamai ni lo ingidis, angan fasamo. Anyway, I would like to say something about my son Chris. Oh yeah, Chrissy. Sometimes I look at my boys, I don't know which Chris, because they all look like Chris. I was trying to say something a little bit, it's a little bit funny, but it's silly sometimes. One day I finished work and I was rushed to home because I was really sore stomach, excuse me language. I got home, and then I was sort of rushing inside the house and trying to get through to the main room. The main room is the bathroom. And then once I walk in the bathroom, it was like my sore stomach is just like this big, like a really magic thing. And I think, what's going on? I look at the bathroom, it's a wall. It's like someone put a hand like this on the wall. Excuse me the language. I'm not too sure if it's Chris or Jason or Michael. They never look after the toilet when they go to the toilet because they wipe their hands on the wall. I call around Michael. Did you do this? Michael say, oh, that was, I don't know, I never done that. Maybe Jason. I call Jason. Jason, you do this thing? And Jason say, oh, maybe Chris. I say, call Chris, and he say, Chris, come on, man. Someone do this thing here, man. Come on. I need to clean it up, man. You know, when you're using the bathroom, you got to do it easy, clean up properly. Don't wipe on the wall. It's not a toilet paper. Chris say, oh, not me, Dad. It must be Jason and Michael. Yeah. Anyway, silly boys sometimes. And that's how Chris is. You know, when Chris is, sometimes this Chris, we never hear Chris in my life, I'll be honest with you guys. Chris is inside the house, and sometimes my wife weeping hanging around in the house about 3-4 hours, and we say, where's Chris? Yes, Chris is in the room. But Chris never coming closer or anything like that. It's like you lost someone, you know, like. And I said, Jason, oh, where's Chris? Always the time Chris is always asleep. Yeah, that's his Chris life, sleeping all day. And never come around. Chris is a very quiet kid to my life, and very hard to have it like other parents. They have it like a very, you know, too much life with the son or daughters and that. But for me and my son, Chris is a very quiet boy. And I never see, be honest with everyone here, I never respect this today, I'll be honest. Because my son never told me I'm gonna have a wedding, you know. In the last minute, Chris say, I'm married. I say, oh my gosh, I never think about you gonna have a married. Yeah. And that's the thing, be honest with everyone here, that's my weakness for my son. I think it's more to the mom. And myself is my son, but I love my son. I respect my son, but it's very hard to get together with the dad. And I hope the mom, they say more about the son, because he's the one that look after the son all the time and being with her all the time. Yeah, the John and Pauli is saying, sorry, ngalo for yale, or ngalo what to let out sang of what quiz, because I can find a quiz. Okay, Yael. Can you find in being a fang away quiz? Because if I'm out quiz, I'll like all the papu, imito. Yep, or nothing by Camilo long away. And Mamma Yafa Fini Mall for my a go for your for my idea. I woke up a little on a way, when I found a couple, would you let me? Ah. Yep, or the Mafkanga Manakari. You'll be for long over the law. Let's find out the money. Yes, when is Chris born? I don't know Chris's birthday or the day he born, because I was in the pub. But yeah, and I know my son, he loves me. He's a good boy. Ako masano.
I'd just like to thank everyone for coming to celebrate. And I'd like to thank Kiss and Peter. And how much care you take of my son. How welcome you've made him feel into your family. And how much care you've taken of him. And I'd like to congratulate Tess and Chris. And hope you have a wonderful life together.
Ya merani le ngai mo mo ka biol ka ngako le ngako fe ka si quiz. Ai le ka ka di ya ke mi fa ka wai quiz. Ya, ai ka fu dai la mo fu ti ale ai na o mai ya le nga tele lo nga au ngai si nga ta mo quiz. Ya, ai mo mo le fa fu kai fu ti na le ai nga nga le fu fa na. Ya. Alo fu ni le tu fa manuel ta to ya quiz ma tes. Mo ni ke le lu aso quiz ma tes. The government performance in Calgary, living in a Kali, ya Pamangiele, Malosa, Mota, or Nefia, Manu Tele, our life of time.
Yeah, Dapat Matamai for Brother Love. Yeah, Malkufini Margaret, thank you very much. That was heartfelt. Little bit about Peter, like I know Peter's lying, he was actually there in the hospital on that day. I remember. Only had one school on that night, so I remember everything. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now's that time. We're going to hand it. It's Siva Samoa for Chris's parents and Chris's family. Ladies and gentlemen, Siva Samoa for Chris's family and Chris's parents. Thank you. Bye. I think everyone's in the mood to dance, so we're going to go into third gear and speed this up a little bit so we can get to that. I want to dance too. Tonight's going to be a special one because we're going to see both parents come on to a waltz. So I'd like to introduce, back on the floor, Peter and Margaret, and Peter and Kisa. So Mike, this is your slow dance. These parents need to get romantic too, you know. Alright, PJ, let's do it. And also our bride and groom joining along. Okay, bit of correctness there. We're going to work it this way. So it'll be father and bride, groom and mother, and it'll be a swap during the process. Okay, so we start again. See some flowers falling apart here. Doesn't matter. So, DJ, introducing Peter Louis with his daughter Tess, the bride, beautiful bride tonight. And also Margaret and our groom, his son Chris. DJ, let's do it. Yeah, but it's my from the morning.
I could hold out my arms, say I love you this much. I could tell you how long I will long for your touch.
Come on, guys, let's put our hands together.
How far
With me.
would I go to the depth and the breadth of my love for you? From here to the moon and back. Who else in this world will love you like that? Love everlasting, I promise you that. From here to the moon and back. From here to the moon and back. I want you to know you can always depend on promises made and love without end. No need to wonder how faithful I'll be now and on into eternity. From here to the moon and back. Who else in this world will love you like that? Forever and always I'll be where you're at. From here to the moon and back. From here to the moon and back.
But lady, our beautiful bride. Can we get the fathers and the mothers in the swap over? I'm going to kiss us on the groom. So, sit on my bride.
I would blow you a kiss from the star where I sat. I would call out your name to echo through the land. from here to the moon and back.
Yeah, what's mine? That's beautiful. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being patient. We're almost there. We've got some big entertainment coming up. Just looking at the cake situation, we're still all right, okay? So don't panic. Vai awatu yo tabili nei ora. Tipi ina la kako keki. Kipi kako tete pe tipi tato keki. Wala watu la kip keki whamabole. Please make your way up. It's good that we get this out of the way, that way we can, you know, pāri whamabole a kuka. Ko keki whamabole. O ngā ui ei whane kongu lewa. Pe wa sora le makangi mal piko I lungo kako keki. Ia. Ia le makangi angi pe upo la kungu. Okay, that's all right. We'll leave it there. Can we bring the party groom down, please? We need you to cut your cake first before we... For those of you that have never been to a Samoan wedding, it is a tradition that we share this cake amongst the guests. Not only that, but those special, honourable guests that we have. So, tonight, okay, can we get that done, please? All right, put your hands together for our bride and groom. Okay.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you.
So, you guys get that wife and hold it together. Look at the cake in front of you. And let's just slice right now, right? One. Let's get it on the count. Listen. Ready? 1, 3, 2, 1. She feeds you, and it'll be like that for the rest of your life, right? Just grab her by the hand and make with Samoans, you know? That's good. Please, ladies and gentlemen, clap your hands together. The groom and his beautiful bride. Beautiful. Ia tu e patu mai, but everybody fall.
Thank everyone for being here today, all of those who came to support, and thanks for all your love and your guidance throughout the years that me and Tess have been alive. Without you guys, we both wouldn't be here today. So thanks for all of your love and your support. So if you all have a glass, can you please raise it? I want to make a toast to us for me and Tess, and may many more blessings come throughout the rest of our lives. Cheers.
All right, another hand of applause for our beautiful bride and our groom and his beautiful bride. Okay, just leave. Okay. Amor molea, ako ngai fide ki pilua pi koilunga. Yeah. Pake ala I o lesi o le sunga pakele o le fionga ya pakele Pakele siku mo le fionga ya pakele Ahora sí, aquí hemos tengo aquí a Congo y a Savali Salud, please. I'm calling. Yeah, ipikonu la I o le ngā, si kina o suga, sawa pakele, a pakele. Yeah, ipikonu le ngā mole. Yeah, fine. Get a recipe pickle guy over the bole more like no Chris, bole. Please. Our recipe pickle like pakai apa like no Tess, Portanyel. Yeah, the pickle like koi. Yeah. O le alufilufi a wala o maalo le ngai fiafi. Ia, pai wal kako keke, paftai lava le on sa. Lai, whakali la. O le kasi le ngakon mori, o la whai pese. Vai lua nga avelisi piko la foi pese fa bole ya and the rest ya paso a wai ka ko ro yel ge fia. Thank you girls. Let me give that to the guys there. Ya, malolo sai. Yeah, I'll talk to Kato DJ for a couple of songs just to break it up a bit. Yeah. Pakai kali air Kato Entertainment lela sound yang lebat. Yeah, partai malolo sai.
home. In your little corner of the world, you can roll around the globe, never find a warmer soul to know. Oh, I saw you by the wall, soldiers in a row, with eyes that looked like ice on fire. The human heart captive in the snow. Oh, like you died, you will never know anything about my home. I never know how good it feels to hold you. Nikita, I need you so. Nikita is the other side. I wanna give a light in time, counting tempting soldiers in their row. Oh no, Nikita, you'll never know.
We have a special treat lined up right now. So if I can call the bride, where's our beautiful bride? Groom and bride. If you'd like to make your way down here, I think they've reserved 2 seats there for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce Manea Dance Group. In the house, please put your hands together. Oh, come on, bucket, mate. Louder, louder, louder. I can't hear you. Louder, louder. All right, Manea in the house.
entitled Thunder. And the Angels with their drum dance entitled Thunder. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage. Our Warriors with their drum dance entitled Eromoe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to St. Germain Angels, a special number dedicated to the beautiful couple. Congratulations on your wedding day. Mamayata. and gentlemen, welcome Mania Warriors with the drum dance entitled Mamio Manjaya. know what you're supposed to be doing? I'm sure you all know. Just bend your knee and knock those knees together. If I knock your knees, you knock your head. Okay, drummers. Listen.